Hello, 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 hello. Welcome, beautiful people. This is ENQUIRY Forest, right? Your online forest training, trading, and mentorship, teaching you all you need to know about the forest market, how you can milk the forest market as never before. This is where we get one-on-one instructions on how currently you can be inclined with the market and take advantage of the market and ride it as you can. This strategy is the best of best in the forest industry. Nothing just but the best. I think I will call it the final when it comes to forest trading. You can trade metals, currency pairs, synthetic indices, gold, and what have you. All lots are conquered by this strategy. Now, this strategy basically is to hold the market for a very long time. That is not for scalping, is basically for swing trade. If you want to hold your market for hours, days, this is the strategy we use. And if you want to trade in particular something like boom and crash in indices, we advise you to trade against the spike, not catching spike. Trade against the spike is more profitable than when you are catching spikes. Then volatility, gold, currency pairs, you can trade it up, down. It gives you the peak and the lowest of every day, how you should ride the market from the onset till maybe the next day or whatsoever you feel like you're comfortable, you get out of the market. Then this trading, I want to take this strategy into two parts. The first part I want to look at it is the indicators, while the second part we're going to look into is how you trade with it. So I'm going to take the A part now, which are the indicators. How do you set this strategy up? How do you set the indicators up? And what are the functions of these indicators? And then we're going to go to how do you use this strategy? When do you buy and when do you sell? What are the features to look for when you are buying or when you are selling? These are the things we're going to consider. So as normal, let me say, which I will advise us to have a pen, paper, or screenshot at any point you feel that you need to get more clarification, or you are not too, so that you can ask questions as we progress in this journey. Welcome again on board, and listen attentively. Ask me question through the description in the link of this video. Invite your loved ones, because I have never seen a trading consummated without having this strategy. Because without this strategy, I don't know how you survive the market. You are going to see it yourself. Let us not waste time, because we're going to spend a lot of time to go through this. So let us hit the road running, we first, how do we set up this strategy? Now, to set up a strategy, this is the strategy icon. Look at it up here. This one that has like an end sign. Look at it there. That is where we are going to be clicking to add indicators to the chart to make it beautiful so that it will show us what to do. So let's start, please. Let's start. If I come there, I click it, that N, it will open. I already have it set up, so I'll be opening it for you to get it written down or to set it as we progress. And you see how beautiful it's going to appear in the chart. Then I'm going to let you know what each of them stands for. Let us go. The first one there is a moving average. This is the setting for it. When you have set it the way I've set it, the period is 20, shift is 0, method is exponential, applied to close. Style is trapezoidal, and levels, no level. You click done when you are through. Done, look at done up here. You always click this done here whenever you are through with the setting of each of the items. Then the next one is another moving average. I click it, it will open for you. Period is 200, shift is 0, exponential applied to previous indicator data. Then style is 4 pixel. Levels, you have seen it. You click done when you are through. The next one there is fractals. I click it, it opens. You can screenshot it so that we can be fast because it's going to take us time. So you just screenshot. After that, you click done. The next one is Ichimoku Heiyo. You screenshot it as you see it. Just still in the main chart. Click done. Now we are through with the main chart. We are now going to window, indicator window 1. So the first thing we are going to add there is relative strength index. I click it. This is how the parameters is 14 close. Style 1 pixel, your background color. If your color, the background color is black, you put black there. It shouldn't display. Then the level is just, you can take these levels the way they are. Look at them. Look at them. You can set them up this way. Exactly what you see. See the color there. 4 pixel. Just like this. Screenshot it. You click done. The next thing you have to put there in that window 1 is accumulation distribution. Look at it here. I click it, it opens. Volumes, tick, style 4 pixel, right, level, no level at all. You click done. The next thing there again in that window 1, indicator window 1, we have Ichimoku here. Just the one we have at the main chart, you replicate it here. You duplicate it here, sorry. The same thing. Now we are through with window 1. So we are going to window 2. The first thing you are going to add in window 2 is the same relative strength index. Look at it here. The difference, everything is the same. The difference is just the color. 4 pixel brown. Do it the way I'm doing it. If you have a white background, better. You click, you go back. Then the next thing that follow is MACD. Set your MACD up like this. Exactly the way you see it. Exactly the way you see it. That 1 pixel is my background color. Click done. The last thing on that list is BS power. Set it the way I did it. Set it the way I do it there. The level of the BS power is 0. See it. You click done when you are through. That is all about that. Now we are going to indicator window 3. You still add that to your relative strength index. It's just for the level. The same thing is only the color you change. Only the color. See the color. That is all. That is all. Then you have done that. If you have done that, you click done. You now come to the last item in that window 3 is average directional movement index. You click it, you add it, you look for it and add. This is the parameters. These are the parameters. Let me make this one so that you view it. Look at the parameters. You click done. And then you go back to the main chart now and see what you have done. You should have something beautiful like this. You should have something beautiful like this. When you are through, you should have something as beautiful as this one. When you are done, I believe you understand what I'm saying. When you are through, you should have a beautiful stuff like this. You should have something beautiful like this. Yes, exactly like this. Good. I want to start explaining what you should do when you see this strategy, when you have set it up this way. Your chart should always be at the center like this. Always be at the center. You can see that I have a straight line here. It should always be at the center like this, so that it will be easier for you to move it up and down. There are reasons for that. I will let you know as we progress. Now, what are the functions of this indicator? You see, when your market, if your market is below these indicators in the main chart, this is telling you that it should be a downtrend, as you can see, going down, down, down. Whenever you see your market below this, is a downtrend. That is a function of what you see in the main chart. If you watch, you see your 200 is above 2. It's telling you that this market is going to run down for a very long time. You can see when your market is below all of the indicators. See the 3 indicators here, and your market is down beneath them. It's telling you that this market is a sell, and it will sell for a very long time. You can bear witness. When your market is above, it's a buy. So now the market is a sell because the indicators are above it. It's a sell. That is that about the main chart. I'm going to window 1. When you see this Ichimoku in window 1, this Ichimoku is for oversold and overbought. Now they are here. If they are here together like this on level 10, it's simply saying that the market is oversold. It means the market is oversold. It wants to go up. That is a function of those 2 indicators. They are to confirm both of them. If they are up here, it shows that the market is overbought. It wants to sell. That is why the market is coming down like this. So understand this main chart and window 1. Then I want to now go to the window 2. When you see the BS power, see the BS power here. See this histogram is the BS power. This black one is the MACD. When you see them meet at level 10, it means that the market is oversold. It wants to go, wants to buy. I believe that is clear. Then the window 3, which is the last window. This level you see here is level 25. which we included there when we were setting it up. Anytime you want to take a trade, this indicator, average directional movement, you see this red line here, must always be above this level 25. Whether you want to sell or you want to buy, if it's not above, don't take that trade, because the market will be fluctuating. It will not be steady. It will be fluctuating. But if it is above, the market will steadily go towards the direction it ought to go. I believe this first section is very okay and instructive. So, please look at this main chart. What I have here is my trend line. Is not included, please. It's not included, so don't mind me. I put it because I'm running a market as we speak. So we go to how we can use this indicator profitably. Now, as I said earlier, if you want to trade boom and crash, use it not to catch spike but to trade against spike. That is how you will enjoy this market. And I will show you when to buy a crash and when to sell a boom. Then I told you again that in currency pairs, which I will use one of the volatility as if we are in currency pair, you are going to see it, how it moves, how we should use it to milk every market that comes our way. You are going to see everything. Now let us see how we can sell boom. What are the futures we should look at for when we are selling boom? So when we are selling boom, take for instance, this is boom 500. This is boom 500. Let me show you. See here is boom 500. It's boom 500 above here. So when you are to sell that item, there are some futures you look out for. That is where I want to show you now. When you see such futures, enter your market without fear and start milking the market. Milk the market like your friend. Gently, quietly, and it goes. At the end of the day, you have made something worth living for. Now, there is a salient point I want you to mark. Now, I'm going to give you the conditions to sell boom now. But when you want to make your analysis, please make it in 4-hour time frame. Then go to 1-hour time frame, which I'm using right away as you are seeing, to place your trade. It's very, very important. What am I trying to say? Take for instance, we are in 4-hour time frame. You see, in 4-hour time frame, look at window 1. If the indicators are touching, both of them are touching level 90 and you want to sell in 4 hours, still click 1 hour to check whether the condition is met and whether you can see a reversal candle being formed for you to take the trade. If you see a reversal candle being formed in window 1 for you to enter, that is the time you can enter your trade comfortably and hold the market. I believe it's understood. Now, how do you sell? What are the futures for you to see to sell? Now look at, for you to sell, you should make sure that the accumulation distribution and the Ichimoku in window 1, both of them are touching level 90. Then the BS power and the MACD in window 2, the histogram 2 are touching 90 also, as if they are about to curve in 90. And as I told you, I say ADX in window 3 must constantly touch level 90 both in 4 hours and 1 hour time frame before you can sell any market you want to sell. And since you want to sell, listen patiently. Since you want to sell, make sure that when these conditions, these 3 conditions are made, make sure that in the main chart, you see a reversal candle, a red reversal candle, indicating that the market is tired of going up, just like you have seen, and you now place your trade. You place your trade, you see the market running down. You see the market running down beautifully well. So please note this. If we move now, you see how this market runs down. You see how the market was coming down. Each candle you see there is 1 hour. And you see why I told you must marry it with 4 hours is what you are seeing there. If you marry it in 4 hours, you will not see a bounce back before it will continue. It will just continue downward, 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 as you can see. So this is the condition in selling any of the boom. Boom 300, boom 500, boom 1000. Now let us go and see how we can buy crash. Let us see how we can buy crash. Let's take crash 1000 because I was trying to place a trade so that I will explain it. Beautiful. You see here, as I told us, the condition must be made in 4 hours and in 1 hour. As you can see comfortably, you are seeing the trade is moving. If the condition is met, now watch here. The condition is met here, 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 here. I must wait for a reversal candle to be formed. That is, this green will open and finish. Another green will confirm up here. Then you now put your trade. Because of this study, I did not wait because I know why I placed this trade. I want to show you whether the conditions were made in 4 hours and also in 1 hour we are. So I'll clean and click 4 hours for you to see. 4 hours. Just watch, because you need to know when the conditions are met and when the conditions are not met for a sell. Beautiful. If I drag it here, you see that. Let me pick my brush. See, both of them are met here. Both of them met here. This one is above 25. In 4 hours, it's like that. So now, since we have discovered it in 4 hours, we go back to 1 hour and wait for our reversal candle. Since the condition too is like that in 4 hours, we now wait for this candle. I place it because of this class. We wait for this candle and see how it will close. If this candle close, maybe engulf this bearish candle, or it closes like this, or it closes short like that, then another candle again, bullish again, open and close on top of this head. On top of this head, the candle close like this. It is a buy. This is a reversal pattern already. It's a buy. You place a buy there. This market will run for days, if not hours. It's going to run until you are tired. So this is how it works. This is how it works. As we're progressing, we'll come back to check this market later and see how the market behaves. Since we saw a green candle and conditions are made and it's trying to be funny. Actually, when the conditions are made and you place your trade, expect a little consolidations. Don't run out of the market. Since you know what you are doing, just please put your stop loss beneath this long tail here. Put your stop loss there and hold your market and see what will happen. I have shown you the case of a buy and the case of a sell. I promise that I'm going to show you the case of volatility, which is just like currency pairs, because My currency pairs is on real account. I cannot do that right away. So I can now go comfortably to add, let us say, volatility 75, and maybe 100 or 50 is also okay. Let's add maybe 50 IS, all these ones, because I want to check any of them that the conditions are met. I'll place the trade before your eyes. Now I'm checking volatility 75. Let us see the chart. Good. It has opened. Now let me pick my brush. See my brush here. See the conditions met here. See, this one is above 25 in window 3. Both of them met here. That is in 1 hour time frame. I'm going to go to 4 hours time frame. If it meets like that, I'll place for my sell and hold my market. Sorry, please. Good. I'm in 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, as I'm moving it, is not moving, telling me that the conditions are ready. Look at it. Look here. Look here. Look here. So it means that this market will buy after I see a reversal candle form in window in a 1 hour time frame. So let's go back to 1 hour time frame. So if this candle closes like this, like you are seeing it now, we have from what we see up here, we have about 16 minutes to know whether this candle will close like this. But if this candle can close like this, engulf the way you see it, it's a sell. We'll place a sell and you see how this market runs down. Let me put some cells so that we'll see. Let us use a minimum lot size. Let us use 0.1. Then I'll sell this market. And we'll see what happened at the end of the day. We have placed sell. So at the end of the day, if this market continues down this way, we expect this market, as you see, let me carry my blush. We expect this market, the TP of this market is somewhere here. Since you have been trading, you should know. Because this is not a training section. I'm just explaining the strategy, how you should use it to make money. This is the first TP. You put a TP here before the pull. Then you now milk the market. So you can watch what you are seeing when I have placed this trade. We are going to come back in few minutes time to check whether this market is negative or positive. That this is about how you trade it on other pairs of the market. Now, that being said, I'm going to show you some salient point you should note when you are trading this market, when you are entering this market, when you are to exit this market. Let me still go back to, let's say, crash 1000, because our trade is running there. We'll still come back to volatility. Our trade is running here already. You know, I placed this trade because of this class. Now, this is boom 1000. Now, should you take a buy in this place like we have done? Where is your possible area to TP? The first place is to TP is here. Let me show you. Let me carry the brush and show you. Is here. Where this market, when you see this consolidation that took place, that is the first place. I'll carry a stick and place there so that you understand what I'm saying. Let me place a stick. Good. This is the first TP because the market will never pass free in that place without some hitches. The market might bounce back little before it continue upward. So your first TP will be at this point. You see me place this stick. Your first TP will be here. Do you understand? So it's very simple as we move. That is your first TP. That is your first TP. Then where is your second TP? I'm going to move down now and show you where your second TP is. Your second TP. This is your second TP, as you can see here. Also, see, sorry, please. This is your second TP on this bullish candle. That is when you expect another TP. So you can imagine everything is lined up for you. Then I'm going to show you also other points you should note when you are trading this market to make beautiful profit. All the money you've been losing to broker, you pick them up and you share our link, invite all your friends to come to this channel to mill the market so that together we can move ahead, together we can have a living, together we can reduce poverty in the land. Now, just as I told us that when you want to take a buy or a sell, remember, I told us that this level 10 in window 1 and window 2 must be touched in 4 hours time frame. Then you go to 1 hour time frame. When you see a reversal candle, then you enter where they touch 2. Remember, don't forget. Then I also say that whenever you want to take a trade in window 3, that ADX must always be above 25, not below. Don't forget, whether you are selling or you are buying, that one here is steady above 25. Don't forget that. Now, take for instance, you maybe bought this market. Let us go back. I want to show you something. You bought this market. You bought this market. Let's see. You bought this market somewhere. Good. I want to show you practical. Let's assume condition is met here. Let's assume condition is met here. And you bought this market. Let's assume. I didn't say it's met. Please. Let's assume the condition is met here and you bought this market. A buy here. Please, watch what I'm going to show you. When this market is moving upward and it comes the level, the moving average 20, which is the green one here, come and cross the 200 moving average, which is the red one here. Please watch. If you see a reversal candle or a continuation candle, enter more position or hold your trade. The market is going to continue. That is what I want to show you. Either downward or upward. Now, there is no continuation candle. If not the continuation candle, you could have seen a green, let me show you, a green taller than this green. As far as it crosses, this market will continue upward. But as far as when you come here, it consolidate and come down, the market has reversed. You get out of the market as fast as possible. Okay, look at it. Look at when the continuation comes. Look at it here. And the market continue upward. You've seen it yourself. That is what I was trying to explain. So, but some people, when they have milk, they say, I've been in this market making money for more than 12, 13, one day now. Let me just go out. Money, we're not tired of making dollars. So even if you can still enter here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, almost a full day again. The market is still going in profit. Now, whenever, if you are buying, you see that the BS power and the MACD and the accumulation distribution and Ichimoku in window 1, you see that both of them have touched level 90 and you are buying. Please, when you see a reversal candle in the main chart, get out of the market. The market want to turn and face down. Please, Note that one. Note that point, please. That is how to get out of the market. And I've shown you how to enter the market. So let us see some trade we have placed, whether they are in profit or not. Let us start to look for them. Okay, this is volatility. 75 we place, you can see them in profit. Okay, let me just go to the chart. Let it not be as if maybe I'm just talking. Volatility 75. Let's see whether it's in profit. Good. You can see it yourself. It's coming down, but it's gradual. That is how also in currency pairs it works. That is how it works. It doesn't select. Now let us check the crash 1000, whether it's in our favor or it has gone against us. Crash 1000. Let us check. Crash 1000. Crash 1000. You can see yourself when the condition is met. I told you I made this thing down because I know where. Then you have to hold on until the time frame, 1 hour time frame, consummate. When this candle, you don't need to place like I'm placing, please, because I have tried to do this thing because of training, or to teach you on how what and what not to do. You have to wait on the till the candle finishes, because you might enter, you have not really cross-checked whether it's a buy or sell. You enter and the market drift down. You just see the market spike down against you. It's not healthy. So you wait for this candle to finish bullish before you take a trade. Don't forget this. Very, very important. Very, very important. I hope you are going to milk this market as never before. If there is anything you want me to know, I will also communicate. You communicate with me through the description below. Now, I want to show you cases where all these conditions are met and the trade goes up. Now watch. Let us go back. Cases. I want us to look at most of the cases where conditions were made and really what happened. Now, I'm going to use 1 hour for this. Now, look at here. Look at here. The conditions are made in window 1 here. Look at window 1. Condition, look at both of them are touching there. Here, touches. But window 3 is not above. What do you do? Will you enter your trade? The answer is no. You don't enter. You wait until window 3 comes up. If it doesn't come up, leave it. That is not the first and the last trade. Leave it and wait for another one. But when you see that the window 3 comes up above 25, you have to enter. Look at it there. Now it's coming up. You have to place your trade here. You can place your trade now here, because look at window 3 now. It's coming up there. You can place your trade here, and you discover that the market will go up. Let me carry a stick and show you what I'm trying to say. Let me carry a stick. You place your trade here. You see that the market will go up, because already from behind here, we have seen that the conditions are met, but window 3 is not met. As we waited for window 3 to meet, after that, as it's climbing up, see what is happening. I don't know whether you're seeing there. You see the thing has climbed up. Now see what is happening. Just watch. The market is just tearing up. It's just tearing up. It's just going like a wildfire. You see it? So, and each candle, as I told us, is 1 hour. And I told you when in window 1, they meet like this, you just need to go out, except you see a continuation candle. So it is as simple as that. No stressing yourself. See how the market went down now. So that is what is obtainable. Let us check again whether we see any condition for a buy. Beautiful. See a condition again for a buy here. See how they met. See how they met. See how they met. And see this one is not too good, but you can take it. It's not too good above, but it's supposed to be above beautifully. You can still take it and just pick some candles from there and then go away. You understand? Look at it. You've seen it. Good. That is how it works. So, if you can follow these instructions that have been dished out for you, Please, milk the market. Any opportunity you see, you milk the market. You milk the market. You milk the market. You don't waste time. You just have to milk the market. I hope it's very clear. And this is, are you seeing the volatility there? What you just placed. Let me show you. I like showing people. Thank God I place it before you. I like showing people practical. You are seeing it. I told you the strategy is a cracker. It's a final bus stop for trading. You have seen it. See how it's going. Okay, imagine you just place one of these trade here and you hold this market. You see the first TP is here and you come, we have not even gone anywhere, and you come to this place and you hit your TP. You can imagine if now the market is giving you this profit that we are seeing. Let me show you again. Look at the profit. Look at the profit. I placed these trades. I placed them before you. I did not. It's not for children. It's for people who are ready to take their life serious and ready to take trading to the next level. You can see it yourself. You can see it yourself. I'm not blabbing. We are doing what we know. So thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much, trader, for being in this channel. The time is fast spent, and I am paused to give you the best. Invite your loved ones, give them the link so that they can meet up with us, and we give them the best we can offer, so that being always calm, or let me say beaten by the broker, would be thing of the past, and you milk the market. You will not believe whether you are the one doing that. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye for now.